Hey there and welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up abandoned cart emails in Shopify, a must-have feature to recover lost sales and boost conversations. So let's jump into it, okay? Let me explain why abandoned cart emails matter. Everyday customers visit your store, add products to their cart, and then disappear. Abandoned cart emails help you bring those visitors back and encourage them to complete that purchase. So now head over to the main steps. First of all, you have to go to your Shopify store, and then you have to go to your Shopify store's dashboard. On the left hand side menu you can see this option called marketing. You have to tap onto this option marketing, then you have to click on the option called automations, this one, okay? So after clicking on automations you have to tap onto the option called view templates button to browse Shopify's built-in flows, okay? You have to tap onto this view templates and scroll down until you find the option called abandoned cart. As you can see, this one, abandoned cart or abandoned checkout automation, okay? You have to click onto it to open it, then edit the email content from here. You can edit the email content, add a catchy subject line, for example, still thinking it, here is 10% off. Then customize the email body to match your brand voice and add a call to action like return to cart or complete my order. Then preview and test the email, like you have to click on preview and see how it looks. Then send a test email to yourself to ensure everything is perfect, and then save and active, and that's it. So if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.